Hi there, welcome to Spring 2023. Today we're in Kenosha, Wisconsin at our Mariani Plant Center. We're going to give you a tour of all the beautiful trees that we have here, like this 3-inch sweet gum. So enjoy the tour. Something that you can guarantee with the Mariani Plant Center is that we only stock the yard with really nice specimen plant material. So if you're looking to really enhance a nice landscape, you're sure to find that product here at Mariani Plants. So right here you can see our crews digging beautiful trees out of the field. We also stock our own product in the MPC, which helps give us a really nice rounded out inventory that's available to you all season long. We keep everything on fertigation, and we wrap the root balls with white polyplastic to keep the plants as healthy as possible throughout the entire season. As you can see here, the team is bringing in a nice load of freshly dug material to hold above ground. So the one thing that we appreciate about the MPC is the ability to bring in trees from all over the country, like this 2.5-inch Cirrus pink Heartbreaker. The one thing we really like about this variety is that we notice that the stems aren't as brittle as some of the other varieties that we've had in the past. So this will hold up really well in transportation and in your garden for a long time. Here's another example of the quality material that we bring into the Mariani Plant Center. Here we have 42-inch Syringa Paladin lilac. Beautiful plants, ready to go. So one of the things that really excites us about the Mariani Plant Center is how much it transforms over the next few weeks. Trees like these beautiful magnolias will open up to bloom, and the yard will continue to fill up with quality plant material. Another tree we're extremely excited about is this yellowbird magnolia. So to see a magnolia with the yellow flower is kind of rare in our area, but this one's hardy and will do well in the proper placement. But these are ready to go. These will be blooming probably by next week. So not only do we stock the yard with unique, beautiful specimen plants, but we have awesome trees like oaks. And we also have some really nice 5.5-inch maples right over here. So if you're looking for some instant impact, call us for these beautiful 5.5-inch autumn blaze maples. The one thing that's really exciting is that the team's going to work around the clock to keep stocking this yard full of product. Keep checking your availabilities or reach out to your sales rep to see what we have available because it changes all the time. For more content, please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Thank you very much and have a great spring.